Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? Hey, alright guys, I am back on behalf of the Power Lead system. I want to make a quick video for you guys because I actually was in my back office and discovering some new tools that they have in the back office. I know a lot of people don't talk about a lot of the tools that we have. And I want to show you one real quickly. I'm going to switch over. Hold on one second. Okay. This is one of the capture pages that I created from when I had Lead Lightning and I upgraded to the Power Lead system, and I created this particular page right here. So this is just another page, guys, that you won't see out there because you have the you have the creativity and the flexibility to create your own pages. So I created this page right here. So I want to show you this other feature that I saw in the back office. Okay, check this out. This is pretty cool. Alright, so we'll go over to my back office. Okay, so when you go to the back office, I'm logged in. As you can see, I'm all in. And you go here, guys, and I discovered what they call virtual postcards and e-cards that you actually can send your prospects, whether they're in your back office of the Power Lead system. If you have prospects in the back office already in your system, you can send them this postcard, or they can be external prospects. Maybe you have an email list that you can copy paste, and you can send any prospects these little virtual postcards. So I'm going to show you real quick. So I clicked on email, voice, and text. Okay, then you go over to virtual postcards. I'm going to show you real quick. Okay, you get back here. Just for video's sake and time, I went ahead and just put one together. I copied one. So I'm going to go with the one that says, I want a better home-based opportunity. So just going to click it so you can see it. You can view it. Okay. And then I'm going to show you, it's going to play. Hold on one second. And see, it has your name already here. It's pulling that information from your profile. Your name and phone number is on this card. Okay. So I'm going to click here so that it can play. Hold on a second. See if we can get some sound.
Are you sick and tired of being sick and tired? Isn't it time you lived life fully? Click on the link to visit my website, and I'll show you how you can easily make money from home. Go ahead, visit my website. You'll be glad you did.
That's pretty cool. So you see the picture. It says, "Isn't it time you enjoy life," etc. And once they click this, I'm just going to give you an example. Once you click this, it's going to go to my, it defaults to my main site, which is this page right here. Isn't that pretty cool? Okay. So if these are some prospects that aren't in your system, they click that and they will just go straight to your website. Now you can change that and put whatever link you want in there. But I thought that was pretty cool. Now here is another one. I'm going to come out of that one and I'm going to show you. And then you would just go right here and hit send. Okay. Go right here and you would hit send and you can send it to a list. I believe it's right here too. Let's see here. Because I just discovered this, so bear with me. Yeah, see, it defaults to my my website right there. Okay, then I can create a campaign from here. Now let's go back. Okay, now that's the virtual postcard, and there's various ones in here, guys. You can just play around with them. I am tired of only getting paid when I sell. Let's click that one. Okay. Isn't it time you enjoyed life? So here's another one. Now it's downloading, so give it. Okay, here is the volume. It's probably the same message, but let's see.
You've probably heard it said that there are 3 types of people. There are those who take action, make things happen, and live life fully. Then there are those who watch others take action. Yet they miss out because they aren't the ones taking action. The last type of person wonders, what happened? So what type of person are you? Don't you want to live life fully? Then take action by visiting my website now. You'll be glad you did.
So just another way, guys, to market your business. That's pretty neat. And you can go right here. Check this out. You can personalize this by clicking here. But check this out right here. It allows you to share. You can share that. You can send this to your Twitter, your Facebook, print it out, send it to someone's email, Pinterest, Gmail, Google+, and other options right here. So you could literally take that, and once they click it, it's going to go to your website. So that's pretty cool. You could share this on Facebook, and once they click right there, that's when they're going to go to your website. So that'll be perfect for you guys that's posting in groups. Okay, so you could test it out by just sending it to yourself, but that's pretty cool. Post it on your Facebook and see what it looks like. But that's pretty neat. Okay, so that's the virtual postcards. And like I said, they have several back here. Just click them and see what you like, and you can customize them. If you don't like what it said on there, you can actually customize it. My job does not pay me enough. So there's several. So the other one I like is the e-cards. Okay, so we're going to go back, and these are e-cards, just another way to market, okay, to your prospects. Okay, let's see. E-cards. Okay, it's got my name already in there. Let's choose a category. I think it was home-based business that I saw in there earlier. Oh, come on. Let's see. Yes, home-based business. So you choose your e-card. Okay. And check this out. There's different little pictures that you can select. Okay, so let's go with this one here. So on home-based business. Okay, it's downloading. My name pops up because it's already in the system. That's pretty cool. Okay. And I think it has some music to go with it. Okay. So you can type whatever message you want right here. Imagine working from home, spending time with a loved one. So you can actually type something here, guys. Make 500 a day from home, right? And you can just say, watch this. Let's say you come down here and you just say, watch this. I'm just giving you some, watch this video. Okay. Learn how. Let's go with that. Watch this video. And then you can put here www. whatever, right? XYZ. Okay? And it tells you have 932 characters left. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And when they would click it, it's going to go to your website. But let me show you what happens. So let's say you want to email it. So you want to email that. Okay, that's my default website. So now it comes up, it shows you what it looks like. And there they are. Okay, and then my information will be right here. And select what recipients I want to send this to. So that's pretty cool, guys. And you can customize this the way you want it to be. Okay? Just giving you an idea. Just want you to see that Power Lead System is more than just you know, the part that you normally see with everybody talking about the automation and you know, the making money and all that stuff, but it has a lot of components to it. So if you just go in your back office back here and check out what you have, guys. So I discovered those two right there. Go under your email, voice, and text, and just go play with those, and you can send those to people. Sorry about this. Let's get this music off of here. How about that? So check that out. Just another way to market to your list, okay, using what you have already in your back office, okay? Just that simple. So go check it out. Power Lead System has a lot of components to it, other than, you know, what we all normally show you. But get in, become a gold member, okay? As you can see, I'm all in, and if I recommend you at least be a diamond, guys, because if you come in just as gold and someone else sees this vision and they decide to get this diamond package, that $100 goes up to your sponsor. You don't get it, okay? So you want to at least become a gold member, and then and also become diamond. That's only $147 one time, and you're going to make $100 commissions. But if you can't, I highly recommend going all in with the platinum. That's $497, and you're going to be able to make $400 commissions, the $100 commissions. You're going to make those $50 overrides off of those platinums every time one of your people sell a platinum. You're going to make the $50 override. The diamonds, you're going to make the $25 overrides, and of course the golds, you're going to make the 50% check match, as well as the $20 residual every month. So a great opportunity, but it's more to it. I just want to show you that, okay? And I'll be back with another video. But if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call about it. But this has a lot of features, okay, that goes along with it that you know, that you won't find with some other systems, okay? So go ahead and make sure you subscribe. That's the first thing you want to do. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and like the video so that you can get all the updated ones that that I upload. When I upload them, you'll be on my list. And go ahead and check this out. I'm gonna put the link below. You can take a 7-day trial, and you know, check it out. Do a test drive, and you'll see for yourself how this works. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys have a blessed day.